Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to take down my nails as much as possible because we are going to try the IBD gel. This is in real time once I start with the IBD gel, and I actually talk through it as well, so I will let you sit here and watch me remove.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
All right, taking tack, and I'm going to apply this all over my nail and give it a cure.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a...
Taking a soak off base, just because I like to have a soak off base under my hard gel, just in case if I want to get all the way down there and soak it off in the end.
Perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe every single.
I'm not going to show you all of the nails, but I'm taking natural fiber and I'm going to build out a little bit of my nail so I can have a almond shape. Again, this is not something that really matters with the IBD gel, but I did want to show you that I am building out the nail slightly. Hello, current time me. I'm going to try out the IBD builder in a bottle. So I had removed everything from my nails as much as possible. Then I used the GLAM. I mean, you guys have already seen it. And then I added the tips to my nails, meaning I built out the extension, which we've already seen. So now we are going to do the builder in a bottle. So let's see. And this is current me, meaning when I'm filming this. Oh yeah, nice and thick. So this guy will, I think, go on really well. So I'm excited. Gonna do my slip layer. Okay. I mean, my nails look better already. Hey, it's like pink and white. Okay, since this is such a thick gel, I'll be curious. That is a ton of gel that is on there. I'm gonna kind of do a little dance on my nails. I do see a few bubbles that I'm trying to swirl around to get them out. I do believe I get a little bit of bubbling with Jimmy Gel as well. That's very nice. Yeah, that's really nice. I think there are more bubbles in this guy, and I didn't shake it up, so that's just something to be aware of, that you might need to fill it with like a base coat. Yeah, a ton comes out of this bottle onto the brush. I'm just bringing it down like so. And what I like to do is kind of bring it back as well to bring most of the gel towards the back, and then I'll flip it upside down.
off like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right.
I think they came out super well. I like this gel. The only thing I did notice, it did have a few more bubbles than some of the other builder gels in a bottle I have used, but I think what ends up happening is the bottle, even though I didn't shake it up or anything, I just think this specific gel holds bubbles in it, because I've noticed with the hard gel, I have bubbles in it right here. And so when I pick up the hard gel from here, I usually pick it up from the side and scoop it and kind of manipulate it on this side, meaning kind of like tap it back and forth. So I think it is the same for this guy, and it almost feels like it could be the same gel. And I just think you have to be super careful with it, because it didn't really come out with too many bubbles. But if you're going in and out, you will end up getting more bubbles because you're going to introduce air into this. So just be mindful of that if you're not doing polish on top and you're just, you know, being naked with your nails. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.